Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Narendra Modi tweeted a photo with Dr. Pramod Sawant, where Sawant can be seen presenting a bouquet of daisies to the Prime Minister. But interestingly, that is not the original photo. The original photo features two more individuals, Goa desk in charge C.T. Ravi and BJP state president Sadanand Sheth Tanavade. PM's Twitter handle cropped the photo and posted the photo with only PM and the caretaker CM. The fact that the photo was cropped and specifically posted from the PM's handle made it amply clear who the next Goa CM is, said a political pundit. Media across the country started flashing the news that Dr. Pramod Sawant is likely to get second term as Goa CM. Meanwhile, here's what Dr. Sawant told Prudent Media from Delhi in a visibly good spirit.
सिर्फ मैं पीएम साहब को मिला और अध्यक्ष जी को मिला, बस उतना ही, और कुछ नहीं है। मैं उसको मैंने रिजल्ट के बाद मिलने के लिए, विश करने के लिए आया था। बाकी सब कुछ तो केंद्रीय पार्टी कुछ दिन के होली के बाद सब कुछ निर्णय होने वाला ही है।